Top 5 money beliefs keeping you poor. One's beliefs about money can significantly influence financial outcomes, and certain money beliefs may inadvertently contribute to a cycle of poverty. One common belief that can keep individuals financially constrained is the notion that money is scarce and hard to come by. This mindset often leads to a fear of spending, investing, or taking calculated risks, ultimately hindering wealth accumulation. Additionally, a negative perception of wealth or the belief that being rich is inherently immoral can create subconscious barriers to financial success. Another detrimental belief is the idea that financial success is only attainable through luck or inheritance, discouraging proactive efforts to improve one's financial situation. Breaking free from these limiting beliefs involves cultivating a positive mindset towards money, viewing it as a tool for empowerment and growth rather than a source of anxiety or moral conflict. Developing financial literacy and adopting a mindset that welcomes opportunities for financial growth can pave the way towards a more prosperous future. People's beliefs about money can significantly impact their financial well-being. Here are 5 money beliefs that can potentially keep individuals in a cycle of financial struggle. Number 5. Scarcity mindset. Money beliefs play a pivotal role in shaping an individual's financial reality, and a scarcity mindset can be a major impediment to wealth creation. Those who harbor deep-rooted beliefs in scarcity often find themselves trapped in a cycle of financial struggle. This mindset revolves around the notion that there is a limited amount of money and resources in the world, leading to a constant fear of not having enough. This fear can manifest in various ways, such as hoarding money, avoiding investment opportunities, or being resistant to financial growth. One common belief contributing to a scarcity mindset is the notion that money is inherently evil or that pursuing wealth is morally questionable. Such beliefs can create a self-imposed barrier to financial success, as individuals may unconsciously sabotage their efforts to accumulate wealth due to feelings of guilt or fear of judgment. Additionally, a belief in the inevitability of poverty can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, as individuals may subconsciously engage in behaviors that hinder their financial prospects. Another detrimental money belief is the idea that financial success is reserved for a select few, often based on factors such as education, background, or luck. This mindset can lead to a lack of initiative in pursuing opportunities and investments, as individuals may perceive their chances of success as slim. Breaking free from a scarcity mindset involves challenging and reframing these limiting beliefs, fostering a more positive and abundance-oriented outlook on money. By cultivating a mindset that embraces opportunities, values financial education, and believes in one's ability to create wealth, individuals can pave the way for a more prosperous financial future. Number 4. Fear of investing. Money beliefs can play a significant role in shaping one's financial reality, and certain beliefs can inadvertently contribute to a state of financial struggle and poverty. One common detrimental belief is the fear of scarcity, where individuals harbor a deep-seated belief that there is never enough money to go around. This scarcity mindset can lead to hoarding money instead of investing it wisely, hindering potential growth. The fear of investing is another limiting belief that often keeps people in a cycle of financial stagnation. Many individuals are afraid of taking risks and, as a result, avoid investment opportunities altogether. This fear may stem from a lack of financial education or a negative past experience, making individuals reluctant to venture into the realm of investments that could potentially generate wealth. Moreover, some people hold the belief that they are not worthy of financial success, perhaps due to societal conditioning or past experiences of financial setbacks. This self-limiting belief can create a subconscious barrier to pursuing opportunities that could lead to financial prosperity. Overcoming such limiting beliefs requires a shift in mindset, often through education, self-reflection, and a willingness to challenge and reframe deeply ingrained notions about money. Ultimately, understanding and confronting these money beliefs is crucial for breaking free from the cycle of poverty and fear of investing. Developing a positive and empowered mindset towards money can open doors to financial growth, allowing individuals to explore investment opportunities with confidence and actively work towards building a secure financial future. Number 3. Money is the root of all evil. Money beliefs can significantly impact one's financial well-being, and certain negative beliefs can contribute to keeping individuals in a state of poverty. One such common belief is the notion that money is the root of all evil. While this phrase is often misquoted, as the actual biblical quote is, "The love of money is the root of all evil." The misconception can lead to a negative mindset about wealth. Associating money with evil might create guilt or discomfort around financial success, hindering one's ability to accumulate wealth. Additionally, the belief that money doesn't grow on trees or that it's scarce can foster a scarcity mindset. This mindset can lead to fear-based financial decisions, such as hoarding money instead of investing it wisely. It can also prevent individuals from seeking opportunities for financial growth, as they may view wealth as a limited resource. Overcoming these limiting money beliefs is crucial for personal and financial growth. Shifting towards a more positive mindset about money, viewing it as a tool for personal and societal betterment, and understanding that wealth can be achieved through ethical means can empower individuals to pursue financial success without the negative mental barriers that may otherwise keep them in a cycle of poverty. Number 2, lack of financial education. Money beliefs and a lack of financial education can significantly contribute to keeping individuals in a state of financial struggle. One prevalent belief that hampers financial well-being is the notion that money is scarce and difficult to come by. This scarcity mindset often leads to fear-based decisions and a reluctance to take calculated risks, hindering opportunities for wealth creation. Additionally, some people hold limiting beliefs about their own worth and capabilities, which can impact their earning potential. Believing that one is not deserving of financial success or lacks the skills to achieve it can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, perpetuating a cycle of financial hardship. Furthermore, the absence of financial education leaves individuals ill-equipped to make informed decisions about budgeting, investing, and managing debt. Without a solid understanding of these key financial principles, individuals may fall prey to predatory financial practices, accumulating debt and struggling to build a stable financial foundation. Breaking free from these limiting money beliefs and addressing the gap in financial education is crucial for empowering individuals to take control of their financial destinies. By fostering a mindset of abundance, acquiring financial knowledge, and making informed decisions, individuals can break the cycle of poverty and build a path toward lasting financial prosperity. Number 1. Over-reliance on job income. Your beliefs about money can significantly impact your financial situation, and certain money beliefs may unknowingly contribute to keeping you in a state of poverty. One common limiting belief is the idea that money is scarce and difficult to come by. This scarcity mindset can lead to fear-based decision-making, preventing you from taking calculated risks or exploring alternative income streams. Over-reliance on job income is another factor that can keep you financially constrained. Believing that a traditional job is the sole source of income can limit your financial potential. Relying solely on a job income often means trading time for money, which can hinder your ability to accumulate wealth and achieve financial freedom. Diversifying your income sources, such as investing, starting a side business, or exploring passive income opportunities, can provide financial stability and opportunities for growth. Additionally, some individuals hold the belief that they are not worthy of financial success or that money is inherently evil. These negative associations can create self-sabotaging behaviors, preventing you from pursuing opportunities or managing money effectively. Shifting these limiting beliefs to a more positive mindset about money and its possibilities is essential for breaking free from the cycle of poverty and building a more prosperous future. Developing financial literacy and seeking opportunities beyond traditional job income can empower you to overcome these limiting beliefs and achieve greater financial success. It's important to recognize and challenge these limiting beliefs to cultivate a positive and proactive relationship with money. Seeking financial education, adopting a growth mindset, and being open to new opportunities can help individuals break free from these restrictive money beliefs.